Today, we are taking a look at the Toyota Corolla Levin AE92 GTZ late version kit from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. It's going to be 124 scale curbside kit. This tooling got started in 2000 as the Levin AE92 GT Apex early version, 1987, and then it got a reissue as the Advan Corolla Levin AE92 for the 1989 Intertech. All right, let's check it out. And getting started with the body, and you can see it is a multi-piece body molded in black. And taking a look at the front and rear bumper parts tree, which also has some trim pieces, as well as a steering wheel and front grille. This is parts tree L if you're keeping score at home. And now we're going to take a look at these parts trees, which have a little bit of everything. And you see you get two of them. So you got two hoods. The hood here on the left of the scoop is what you're going to be using, as well as you're going to be using these pieces up here. So this, and I think even maybe the spoiler. This hood and scoop is going to be new for this kit. You have the rear seat and bumpers, or mirrors, excuse me. You'll be using these parts as well for and then you have the front seat, front bucket seat parts tree. And getting started now with the chassis parts tree, which also has some interior bits in it as well. You see the chassis, pretty much all the underside detail is going to be separate, which is nice. And then you have the race stripped interior, which kind of sucks when you're building the street version, but once you get it all completed and stuff, you're really not going to notice that it's kind of stripped. And there's door panels, the lower half of the engine block transmission. And moving on to the next parts tree. This will be parts tree. What is the parts tree? C. A little bit of everything. Start up here and look at the exhaust. Dash, more suspension pieces. Fortunately, you only have right-hand drive options for this one. And now we're going to take a look at the wheel parts trees, and as you can see, you get two sets of wheels. For this variation, if you're going to build a GTZ, you're going to be using the wheels here on the top. And now we're going to take a look at the chrome parts tree. As your headlight panel, your taillight panel, mirror faces, exhaust tips. Now we're going to take a look at the clear parts tree, which you have your front rear window pieces there, which are separate. Kind of nice, I guess. Window vents, headlight, tail light lenses up there. And now we're going to take a look at the blank sidewall roundy rounds for this kit, as well as the polycaps. And nothing special about the tires. Now we're going to take a look at the decals and window mask. First, the window mask sheet, which has windows for mask for front and rear, and part of the side windows. One of the side windows. I don't remember exactly which one it is. And the decal sheet. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the 1989 Toyota Corolla Levin AE92 GTZ late version kit from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. And yes, you can get yourself some Toyota color match paint from Scalefinishes for this one. I did for the first one that I got. It was blue. Probably seen it already. So on that note, thanks for watching.